For centuries, the mountain slept beneath the silent sky. But deep below the earth, something had awakened. Volcanologist Ethan Cole arrived to investigate the impossible tremors. The earth itself began to burn from within. The sensors detected movement, thousands of meters below the surface.
They descended into darkness, searching for answers. These markings were older than recorded human history. Then, the mountain roared back.
They were not alone underground. The volcano was no longer stable. Every second became a fight for survival.
Ancient eyes stared from the abyss. A forgotten species had survived beneath the earth. The nightmare reached the surface. The mountain unleashed its fury. Hidden beneath the volcano stood a lost civilization.
And they were waking up together. Humans once feared them and worshipped them. The underground world was collapsing.
The sky turned into a storm of fire. The government prepared for war. But bullets meant nothing against ancient monsters. There was only one way to stop the eruption.
He entered the heart of the mountain. The king beneath the earth had a walkment.
The world watched the mountain explode. One man chose to face the fire alone. The ancient kingdom crumbled beneath the flames. By morning, the mountain fell silent once again. But deep below the ashes, something still survived.